In the last 24 hours, we have succeeded in putting the containment cap over the wellhead. We're in the process now of starting to bring hydrocarbons of the oil up from the reservoir and actually starting to produce it in a vessel called the Discoverer Enterprise, which is over the wellhead now and connected by a riser pipe down to what we call the containment cap. In their first full 24-hour cycle, yesterday, as they're bringing the production level up, they were able to bring up and produce 6,000 barrels of oil from the well. The goal is to continue that production and raise it up and hopefully take the pressure off the well and hopefully start to reduce the oil that is coming out through the vents that were intentionally opened to make sure the oil had a place to go while they were increasing production. The southerly winds, and actually from the southwest, have taken the northern edge of this spill perimeter and moved it closer to Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida. We're starting to see a product actually come ashore in the form of tar balls, small oil patties and mats, if you will. And the impact is from western Mississippi over towards Pensacola. The oil will generally start to move north and slightly east. So the area we're concerned about is basically from the Mississippi-Louisiana line clear over to Port St. Joe in Florida. In regards to that, we've got a lot of people out doing cleanup operations on the beach, doing skimming offshore. The worst case scenario is you don't contain flow, and the only way we're ever going to cap this well is through a drilling of a relief well. That is underway right now. The first relief well is currently about 7,000 feet below the sea floor. They're going to have to achieve somewhere between 16 and 18,000 feet to intercept the well. The goal then, once they intercept the well, would be to pump mud down the well to reduce the pressure of the oil coming up from the reservoir to the point where they can actually put a cement plug in. At that point, the well will be killed. You heard of the top kill exercise we went through last week. I would call this the bottom kill exercise. In the long term, the threat from this well will not go away until a relief well has been drilled, pressure has been taken off, and the well has been plugged. In the meantime, we need to optimize our containment efforts, which is going on right now with the containment cap. So the worst case that I could see is that the discharge related to what we can't contain goes forward until we have the relief wells drilled, which will be sometime in early August.